Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best bolt buster is probably one of the most innovative tools I've come across in a while. If you're tired of struggling with rusted or stubborn bolts, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into this amazing heat induction tool, exploring its features, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to witness how this tool can make your life easier and your projects smoother. Number 5. Magnetic Induction Heater Kit, Automotive Heat Tool. This induction heater uses electromagnetic fields to heat metal rapidly. It offers faster and more precise results compared to traditional methods. The design ensures safe and controlled operation. It's perfect for loosening nuts, rusted bolts, and heat-treating small metal parts. The tool is ideal for automotive repairs and machinery maintenance. This provides broad functionality for various needs. A high-intensity LED light provides ample illumination, even in low-light conditions. The indicator changes color when the device is in overheat mode, making monitoring simple. The device is equipped with a cooling fan and overheat protection. This helps protect sensitive components during heating, extending its lifespan. The fan operates automatically for ease of use. It includes 8 different coils to meet various work requirements. A convenient toolbox is provided for easy storage and portability. This makes it more convenient than using a torch. What we like. This tool heats up in just 30 seconds, saving you valuable time on the job. With its variety of coil sizes, it's ready for any task. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient solution for removing rusted bolts, this is the one for you. What people say. It focuses 1000 W of flameless heat directly where you need it, and on larger nuts and bolts, it gets them glowing to a dull cherry red, is almost equal to 1000 F, in no time, often in under 30 seconds. It's safer, faster, and prevents you from torching nearby plastic, rubber, or wiring. Works perfect for cab mount bolts that I tried half-inch ratchet would not move them. Put the tool on them and remove with 3/8 rachet. Number 4. Solary 1200W Handheld Induction Heater Kit. This induction heater uses electromagnetic fields to heat metal quickly. It provides faster and more precise results compared to traditional methods. The design ensures safe and reliable operation. It's perfect for loosening nuts, rusted bolts, and heat-treating small metal parts. This tool is ideal for automotive repairs and machinery maintenance. It offers broad functionality to meet various needs. The high-intensity LED light ensures clear visibility, even in low-light conditions. The indicator changes color when the device is in overheat mode, making monitoring simple. Equipped with a cooling fan and overheat protection, it protects sensitive components. The system extends the device's lifespan. The fan operates automatically for ease of use. It includes 12 different coils to meet various work requirements. A convenient toolbox is provided for easy storage and portability. This makes it more convenient than using a torch. What we like. The 30-second heating time is a game changer, getting you back to work quickly. The smart cooling system ensures it runs smoothly, even during extended use. If you often work on automotive repairs and need a reliable tool, you should consider this. What people say. This machine only heats the nut and therefore there is no chance of snapping the stud and the nut comes right off. This tool is fantastic. I have an oxyacetylene torch, but it takes forever to heat lug nuts this large. The induction is initiated by a momentary thumb switch. My suggestion is to let the unit fan run for a time once you've heated up your intended target. This will allow the unit to completely cool, internally, and most likely extend the life of the tool. Number 3. BB2X ACC Heat Induction Tool with Advanced Coil Kit. This is the BB2X ACC, a powerful heat induction tool. It's designed with an all-in-one approach, delivering impressive performance. The BB2X ACC generates a robust 1,800 watts of power. It achieves this with over 95% power efficiency, ensuring optimal energy use. Its patented design ensures more power transfer with less current draw. This means it runs cooler and provides more power overall. The BB2X ACC comes complete with an advanced coil kit. It also includes a convenient plastic case and an owner's manual. It has a maximum output of 120 VACX 15 amps. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind. What we like. This tool boasts a high power output, making it incredibly effective. The advanced coil kit gives you everything you need right out of the box. If you're a professional looking for maximum power and efficiency, it's the perfect choice. What people say. The Bolt Buster is a great tool for removing rusted bolts. It works as advertised and has saved me a lot of time and effort. The induction heating is much faster and safer than using a torch. Number 2. Induction Innovations Mini-Ductor Venom HP MDV 787. This handheld induction heater is designed to tackle tough jobs. It's perfect for removing rusted fasteners and stuck parts. It can even remove adhesives and moldings. Unlike torches, this tool uses induction heat. This means a precise, localized heat without an open flame. It enhances workplace safety and minimizes damage. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP helps reduce expenses. It saves on gas and minimizes damage, saving parts. It also boosts productivity, making work faster and more efficient. With 1800 watts, it heats up components quickly. It features an angled design for hard-to-reach areas, a coil twist lock, and a cooling fan. The kit includes a carry case and multiple coils. All Induction Innovations tools are made and assembled in the USA. They are manufactured with genuine OEM parts. Each product undergoes quality checks during the manufacturing process. What we like. This tool uses safe induction heating, eliminating open flames and reducing fire risk. The angled design helps you reach those tricky spots. If you value safety and quality, and want a tool made in the USA, this is a great option. What people say. If you have old and rusted nuts bolts on a car and need to remove, this tool makes it extremely easy and reduces the chances for breaking a bolt nut. I can get a nut glowing red in 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the size, and the nut breaks off easily. The tool had overtemp protection and cuts off after 2 minutes of continuous use. It also has overcurrent protection. If the coil shorts to the car chassis, it will also cut off. Number 1. Induction Heater 1200W for bolt removal. Tired of struggling with rusted bolts? This induction heater provides a fast and safe solution. It uses electromagnetic induction to heat metal parts quickly. With 1200 W of power, it heats rusted bolts and nuts in under 30 seconds. This makes the job much quicker and easier compared to other methods. The tool comes with 6 turbo coils in various sizes. This allows it to be used for a wide range of tasks, including bolt removal and heat treating. Forget open flames, this tool uses induction heating for safe operation. It protects surrounding components from damage, making it a safer choice. It's lightweight and easy to use with one hand. The ergonomic handle provides comfort, and it includes a toolbox for easy storage and portability. What we like. With 1200 W of power, this tool tackles tough jobs with ease. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even for long periods. If you're a DIY enthusiast or mechanic who values power and comfort, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Bolt Buster is a great tool for removing rusted bolts. It works as advertised and has saved me a lot of time and effort. The induction heating is very effective at loosening bolts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.